Are you looking for a luxury home in North Scottsdale? Well, today I want to take you on this tour of this amazing home in North Scottsdale. So let's check it out. So really nice curb appeal, recently renovated, has a cute little sitting area over there. Really nice door for the entrance. And now that we're inside, let's check this out. So over this way, we'll start with the kitchen, which again has been recently renovated. Really nice fridge here, extra storage, bar area, massive island, great for entertaining, additional seating, really nice kitchen with, is that a 6-burner, lots of cabinets, countertop space, cool sink overlooking the backyard, and then this really, I say cozy, when realtors say cozy, it normally means small, but this is really just a nice, cozy, entertaining area. That way is a humongous living room, or laundry room. We'll check this out just for a little bit, but really big laundry room, lots of storage, and all that kind of good stuff. So now, let's head down this way and check out all the bedrooms, or at least the master bedroom. So a bonus room down that way, guest bathroom over here, bedroom, another bathroom, another bedroom, and then the master suite. So cozy master suite with an entrance to the backyard, double sinks, shower, tub. My personal opinion, you guys can have your own. In walking through this master bathroom and bedroom, not the biggest of bedrooms that I've seen, but it's very nice, renovated, cozy, has the access to the backyard, all that good stuff, but could be a little bit bigger. And now, in my opinion, one of the best parts, if not the best part, of the property and house is the backyard. So let's go out that way. So again, this home is in North Scottsdale, pretty close to basically Cactus Road and the freeway, the 101, very desirable location to be in Scottsdale. Close to all that happens, around springtime with the golf tournament and the shopping at the Quarter and Kierland and Barrett-Jackson, Arabian Horse Show, all that stuff. But anyway, back here, really spacious backyard, room for a boat, RV, has a really nice pool. Could be a little bit bigger, different shape, but it's a great pool to cool off in here in North Scottsdale. And then you've got the back of the house, pretty expansive, clean, blank slate, or do what you want. Enjoy it as it is and all that good stuff. So this home again is in North Scottsdale. If this one's of interest to you, drop me a comment, send me a message, visit my website, blairballin.com. If you're interested in other North Scottsdale luxury homes, send me a message, drop me a comment. I'm here to help. Phone number is 480-233-6433. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.